Hi friends, today let's see an easy method for finding the ozonolysis products in alkenes. Here I have written the general formula of an alkene, C double bond C with two free valencies of the carbon, and which is on reaction with ozone in presence of zinc. And during the reaction, you see, this double bond will be breaking. Here I am explaining the easy method. So the double bond will be splitted into two different parts. The left side of that double bond is having a single carbon, and that double bond we have to write like this, and from this three oxygen atom, one oxygen atom will be added here, which is C double bond O is one of the major product, plus one another major product is the next oxygen atom from this will be transferring here to the right side, which we can written as oxygen double bond C having two free valencies. So here it is, the double bond splitted into two different parts, and on either side of the double bond each oxygen atoms are added, and the third oxygen atom will combine with zinc and forms zinc oxide as a minor product, which is the byproduct. So this is an easy method to identify the product. Here I'll tell you the mechanism as well. Here C double bond C, when it is on ozonolysis, first the double bond will be breaking completely and we get a structure like this. There is no bond between these two carbon. Instead, these two carbon will be indirectly connected through three oxygen atoms. These three oxygen atoms will be connecting between the carbon atoms in this way. It forms an ozonoid, and later it is on reaction with, this is an intermediate, it is on reaction with zinc. The bonds will be breaking in three different places like this, and here we get one product which is C double bond O. We know that carbon oxygen bond is always C double bond O, plus here in the right side is another product which is C double bond O having two free valencies, plus the zinc combines with oxygen forms zinc oxide as the byproduct. This is a mechanism. So if we follow the first step for finding the product, that will be an easy method to identify the products. So let's see an example here. I have written propene plus ozone in presence of zinc. Let's do with an easy method. This bond breaks. We get CH3 CH double bond. One oxygen will transfer to this carbon, which is CH double bond O, plus the next oxygen will be transferring to the right side carbon, which is O double bond CH2. Got it? And the third oxygen will transfer with oxygen with zinc as zinc oxide. So these are the two major products. And let's see the IUPAC name as well, which is CH3CH double bond O, having two carbon, and aldehyde is a functional group, so it's ethanol. O double bond CH2 can be written like this, HC double bond O H, which is methanol. So these are the two products. So let's take one more example as well. Here I have written another alkene which is a branched chain alkene which is on reaction with ozone in presence of zinc. It is like H, C, H. That double bond will attack with the oxygen atom, one oxygen from ozone. That's one of the product, plus. So one oxygen is added to this carbon and the next oxygen is going to be added to this carbon. It becomes O double bond C having two carbon atoms like this. So we don't need to change the position of the remaining species. Only the double bond breaks, and on either side of the double bond oxygen atoms are being added, and the third oxygen combines with zinc as zinc oxide. Here also we got the first product as methanol only, which is HCHO, and the second product, you see, this is first carbon, second carbon and third carbon having ketone as a functional group. So this is propan 2-on. So it means during ozonolysis, We always used to get either aldehyde or ketone. So it depends upon the type of alkene what we are taking. It can be both aldehyde or both ketone, or one can be aldehyde, another product can be a ketone. So this is how we can do the ozonolysis products easily. Thank you all.